Hello, it's me, Yannick, working for Tim Hortons restaurant. I will add a new video, so I will show you how to change door arm on this unit. Merrychef model Mealstream 504. This is what it's look like. So there's the touchpad is in French, like you can see, because we are in Quebec here, so we use it in French. Okay, so what we want to change today? That is the arm right here. This one is broken. The pins, like you can see, is very used. So we need to change both side. So I will show you how to do that. First, remove all those screws here, down there, in the other side. Then you can remove the panel. And you will see here where the arm is working. The other side, same things. Screw here, down there. Remove the panel. And this side, you can see how it is mounted. So nothing's hard in this. So for the door, you have one screw there in front. You have 3 in front and 2 on each side. So you remove all that screw. After that, I already removed that spring, so I will show you. When you open the side panels, you will see the arms, the spring, and all the micro switch and the fuse and the wiring like that. So as soon you have removed both panel on each side, you remain the door closed, and just take an electrician and remove the spring. So like that. If the other side needs to be removed, you do that too. I already removed that side because it was broke and I want to see the arm and what's in there. So you open it. Okay, where's my arms? There's my arm and my pin. We'll show you. There's here's we have a brand new one coming from Choquette, Montreal, and this one has been made by a local shop, solder, weld, where they do a machine shop. So like you can see, they just reproduce the original one. This one will cost at Partstown $500 Canadian, and the same parts at Choquette will cost $250. And where we have make it that parts, that part cost $125. So this is the half of the cost of the less we can find. So I suggest you order one and you go to the machine shop at the corner and make it reproduce it, because you will save a lot of money. And this is why my boss love the job I do, because I make him save a lot of money. Okay, so there's the arm we will replace. This one will be returned at the company because we don't need it anymore. So the only thing you have to do, that's as soon you remove it, all the 7 screw, you just separate the doors like that. You don't remove all the door, because it's gonna be a pain in the ass to remove all the small here. You have to unscrew. I don't know. Okay, there's. You have to unscrew it and all the adjustment and all the things. This is hard and take many time. So you have to just separate the doors like that. The pins is in here with the arms locked into the pin like that. That goes into the oven. So that arm, that side were broke, like here were open. So this is why I don't have to remove the arm on that side. I just remove the pin. A new one. Same things for the pins. I make it machine in the shop. That costs $50 each at the where you order it as a OEM part. And when you make it machine by a machine shop, that costs around $15. So I suggest you go with the machine shop. So we go like that. You just go put the arms and that's it, like that. And you slightly close the door to make it fit like that, and you will come to put the pin like that. The pin is in place, arm is in the place, and when we will put it back, I will put the spring back here, and the arms will be changed. Just put the side panel back with each screw, and the job have been done. I hope my video help you again, like I tried to do. And thanks for watching my video. Sorry again for my English. Maybe I'm gonna be better one day, but the only thing I want to do with my video, it's help people to save money, sorry, and make him learn how to replace part by yourself, and that make it easier for everyone. So thanks for watching again, and have fun to repair your stuff. Bye.